This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. I believe it's the 11th today.
Yeah.
September 11th. We all remember that date, don't we? Anyway, yeah, update on Rocky. I'm a little late today because I picked up Bryant first, and then I came here some half an hour later than normal. Unfortunately, Fatser the gardener from Hafele is there, and someone met him and gave him something in a bag. Someone on a bicycle. I can only assume that that is poison. I don't know what else it could be. What in the world did he give him that Fatser would need, right? And now Fatser's taken off around the building. Yeah, it's very bad. Anyway, let's get down, put our seed down. Hopefully, our little Seymour will show up. Look at that, Thatcher took off. He took off and he's doing something. What is he doing? What in the world is he doing, huh? Well, here's the update. I tried to make a video. Look at this. Look what's across the street here. Chestnut. Must have taken it, or some kids threw it here. Yeah, he's doing something bad, Fatser. Okay? I'm glad I saw that, because that's not good. Put down some I don't see any sparrows. But I say we're a little bit late today. But you know what? I drove by twice today, and I didn't see any birds here today. But I think the you know who is here.
Yeah, I think I heard some seagulls in the background.
Yeah. Well, I put down some seed. See, the days are getting shorter. But what I wanted to say, unfortunately, I tried to get a video of Rocky. I bought a cage today, put him in it, and took him to the field, grassy lawn behind the apartment building. And just as I was bending down and letting him out of the cage, I got a really super nice cage for him. Transport box to take him to the Zurich tomorrow. And the video died. I know I only had 5% left, and it should have taken, that very short video would have only been a minute, but it died right there. Because I wanted the vet at the Volier to see how he walked. I don't know what to say. He's eating pretty good. His mind is alert. He does walk, but when I let him out of the cage, he just kept waddling to one side and tipping over. I do believe that could be a broken wing. I'm not 100% sure, but it could be. What is Fatser doing? What did he just throw down there in that bag on that gravel parking lot? What did he throw down there? What did he do? I just saw it. I just saw it there, what he did. The birds go down there and peck in that gravel all the time. He's throwing down poison. He's throwing down poison. What else could he be doing? What in the world would you throw down in the gravel there? Right? In a little bag. Well, I'm going to go over there and look myself. I'm going to go over there and say something to him. Okay? He's leaving now. So I'm going to go over there and I'm going to check it out. Okay? I'm going to check it out. Anyway, he couldn't fly. He just kept falling to the side. To the left side, actually. And then he was exhausted. And then I put him back in the cage. He just collapsed, you know. When I put the t-shirt over him, gently picked him up and put him in the cage again. And you wouldn't believe it. When I came back, this is how smart he is. This is why his mind is clear. He would not come out of the cage. He would not come out. Okay? I laid him in the bathtub, waiting for him to get out of the cage. And he wouldn't get out. Because it wasn't the lawn, okay? He would not get out, right? He just looked at me. Can you believe that? Do you know how smart that is? Do you really understand how smart that is? I am sure he has never been in a cage before. But he knew that that wasn't the place he wanted to be, and he wanted me to take him back out on the lawn. Just think about that for a moment, okay? This wild crow. How smart that is. Well, unfortunately, we have someone up there on the terrace. I don't know what he's doing, but the crows don't like it. Doesn't look like it's going to be a very good feeding today. We'll see. Perhaps they waited and went home. We don't know how long of a journey they have. Okay? So, anyway, we're going to go over and explore. What's Fatser doing now? Where's he going? Why isn't he going home? Why is he parking there? What is he doing? Backing up? We'll see. Anyway, look at that. No birds coming down. Yeah, we're too late. Too late, and something happened here today. So, Bryant's just gonna have to wait until I'm done feeding the birds. I'm usually here around 6:15. So I'm 45 minutes late, and somehow it doesn't work. But there could be other things, like Fatser did something. I'd like to know what he's doing down there. What is he doing? What is he doing? Oh, he just took that bag he had and he threw it in the metal garbage container of Hafele. How do you like that? We're gonna go check it out as soon as he leaves. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what to say. No birds here. What happened to the birds?
Maybe Fatser made noise.
Yeah, could be. Well, we'll put down what we have here, and maybe it'll come. It's a shame Seymour was here, but he didn't get him down. And that could be because of fatser. Or something else. Okay? Very unfortunate, but we're also very late. So that also plays a role. But there's no crows are all in the back. I don't know if you can see that. Crows are way in the back there. So anyway, what is Fatser doing back there? Could be the crows come back in there too, looking for food. It's very suspicious. We're just gonna wait. He's not gonna be here forever tonight. But we'll just wait and see if they come down. Alright? Look at that. Even the pigeons won't come down.
I think that's what somebody made noise.
Huh?
That's what somebody made noise.
Yeah. Fatser's still here. He's doing some strange things in the back. They're very suspicious. Okay? I can't really go check out the driveway yet. But I will. We'll just wait. We'll just wait a little bit.